Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Dr. Khalid Muhammad. Here is an overview of the fungi. Fungi are eukaryotes, organisms whose cells have a distinct nucleus containing the cell's genetic material DNA, surrounded by a special envelope called the nuclear membrane. Organisms in the kingdom fungi may be unicellular or multicellular. Large multicellular fungi, such as mushroom, may look somewhat like plants, but unlike most plants, fungi cannot carry out photosynthesis. True fungi have cell walls composed primarily of a substance called chitin. The unicellular forms of fungi, yeast, are oval microorganisms that are larger than bacteria. The most typical fungi are molds. Molds form visible masses called mycelia, which are composed of long filamentous hyphae that branch and intertwine. The cottony growth, sometimes found on the bread and fruit, are mold mycelia. Fungi can reproduce sexually or asexually. They obtain nourishment by absorbing organic material from their environment, whether soil, seawater, fresh water, or an animal or plant host. Organisms called the slime molds are actually amoeba-like protozoa.